past 6 months to a year, it's completely changed my life. I went from going paycheck to paycheck with no steady income, digging into my savings, to finding UGC and just taking it in 100%, going full force. And 6 months later, I'm currently making around 16,000 a month doing UGC. Let's just jump into how you can make an extra 5K a month doing UGC. So number one, you have to put in extensive research in the brands that you want to be working with. Don't shoot for the moon when it comes to this, because if the brands are too big and you're nobody, chances that they're going to hire you is slim to none. So I would go for brands with around 100K followers on Instagram. Those are more likely to respond to DMs, on email, and so on. You'll have to check with their ads library to make sure that they're actually making money and running ads in the first place, like I said, so that they are doing UGC, that they are spending money on ads, so that you could just slide in there. So you have to find out, what are they lacking? What do they not have that the brand is representing? Let's say I'm approaching a clothing brand like Built. Okay, I see that they're doing UGC, they're doing a lot of try on hauls, but they don't have any tattooed guys. They don't have anyone that looks like me. That's something I would be thinking about in pitching a brand like this. Number two, you have to build a killer portfolio full of spec work. I would say shoot for at least 2 to 4 pieces of spec work that you shoot and edit each week. Just keep adding onto your portfolio. Like with repetitions, you're going to get better. It's all in the reps. You know, that's how you're going to fine tune your editing, your shooting, your understanding, your scripting. All of these things I teach in the Creator Catalyst Academy. You can find a link in my bio. So the reason you want a solid portfolio is because brands go to check you out, right? They want to make sure that you know what you're talking about. They can expect this kind of quality when it comes to editing, lighting, whatever, and they'll pay you accordingly, or not at all if you suck. So that's why you have to get better and better. But there's so much money in this. If you actually put a little bit of effort and time into this, there are so many benefits to this, and you can truly set yourself free. Like if I was single right now and it was just me, solo dolo, I could have done this at 25. I'm 38. Imagine just traveling the world, getting free Nike shoes, getting free drones, microphone, cables, all this stuff. You're getting this for free to review it. There's so much potential here. Just make sure that you put time into honing this craft of shooting. Like you can learn all of this on your own, or you can learn from someone like me. I'm just saying that there's so many benefits to learning all of this: shooting, editing, filming, lighting. You could become an agency. You could become a solo creator. You could work for brands as the head of UGC or content creation. You could work as a social media manager. You can become a content strategist, a coach. The sky is the limit. I'm not saying it ends at UGC. I'm saying that's where it starts. Number three, pitch at least 10 brands every week. That's what I would do if I were you. Every week, pitch 10. Do some solid research on the brand so that you're not wasting your time. Make these 10 actually stick. So all you really need: iPhone, natural source of light, and number three, a free editing software. So CapCut is what I use. It's free and it's amazing. You don't need anything but CapCut to do any of what I do, honestly. And look, you're not going to close every pitch. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be easy even. It's going to be a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of downs, a lot of doubting yourself. But once you get the ball rolling, boy, it's fun. As a base of income, with the potential things you could be doing away from this, nothing beats UGC. It's going to help you build your brand as a videographer, photographer, agency owner. If you're a fitness coach or whatever it is, why not have this as your base income to just keep things safe? You'll get better on camera, which again will help you get more clients for your agency, or more clients for your fitness business, or for your real estate. It doesn't matter what it is. It's just going to elevate your content game because you're putting in the reps, but you're getting paid to do the reps. And that's why I love UGC. And a pro tip, you have to celebrate the small wins. Like if you get an email from a brand saying, hey, we like your stuff, but we don't really do this right now. Can we send you a free product? Celebrate that. That's a win. It's a free product, right? So shoot spec work with that. Use it in that sense. There's always a reason for it. Like if you're not getting rewarded yet, it's because God knows that you haven't put in the amount of work that it takes in order to actually do this deal justice. You know what I'm saying? And if it's not doing good after a week or two, ask yourself, actually sit down, take notes. Why did it not go well this week? Why did I not make money? Why did I not close more deals? Ask yourself, are you pitching the right brands? Do you even see yourself with these brands? If you're a tall man pitching for a baby brand, that's not a good match. You have to ask yourself, is this a likely scenario where this is going to work out? Can I sell to their customer? Who is their customer? You have to ask yourself these questions. Be proactive. So in 6 months from now, just imagine this outcome, right? Close your eyes. You're waking up, you have brands emailing you in the morning. Hey, we saw your videos. We actually really like your content. We want to hire you. Would you do $2,000 a month for 6 months? 4 videos delivered every month. That's it, 1 per week. 1 hour of shooting, 1 hour of editing. Outsource your editing. Be free. But that's $2,000 a month locked in with a brand. And that's just one of your deals. Imagine you have 5 of these. $10,000 a month on retainer, plus other ones adding on top. How is that going to make you feel? Look, for 1 second, just take that feeling in, because that was me. It's not impossible. You can do it 100%. So drop your plan in the comments. What's your why? I'd love to hear what you guys are doing, where your head's at, what you're working on. If this was helpful in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Share this with someone that might need this. I'm all about helping you break free from the matrix. Stick around if you want more of this. Peace. Go create some magic.